In today's Nerdio Manager for WVD demo of the day, we are going to talk about monitoring usage of the Nerdio Manager and the WVD environment over the past 30 days. So as you'll notice on either the Workspaces or the WVD tenants page, there is this column called usage for the past 30 days, and there are three different metrics that are being tracked here. There's something called named users, concurrent users, and CPU cores. And these numbers here represent the high watermark over the past 30 days that have been observed by the Nerdio Manager for WVD application. So what this means is that in the last 30 days, the maximum number of unique users that have been assigned to a desktop were 4. The maximum number of concurrent users have been 1, and the maximum number of CPU cores across all of the hosts in all of the host pools has been 48. If I click on any of these numbers, then a little graph will come up that will show me these three metrics on a day-to-day basis, and you can track that utilization over time. So you can see here, this is obviously a demo environment, so my named users have gone from 3 to 4 around June 4th. My concurrent users, have gone between 0 and 1, and then my CPU cores have really oscillated here a little bit, and you can see that there is this jump on a day-to-day basis is probably because the system is automatically building additional capacity for me based on the auto scale configuration. This also works in the WVD tenants page. So if you have multiple tenants or multiple workspaces, you can see this information on a per workspace or per tenant basis. So here, for instance, I have a demo ACME Core tenant. So if I click on these numbers, you see similar information. We have named users at the top. We have concurrent users in the middle here. So, I've had the maximum of 3 at one point, and then it's been going between 0 and 3 throughout the rest of those times. And I also have the number of CPU cores that are listed in this graph. So this is just a useful way to get a quick view at a glance of what type of utilization the system is seeing. As you have more and more users logging in, you can track and see the number of concurrent users growing, and you can even get the details on what that aggregate number has looked like on a day-to-day basis. See you in the next video.